Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will mix light apple green semi-gloss latex for interior concrete wall. Light apple green is a graceful shade for indoor spaces. It is naturally calm and relaxing color. When paired properly with other colors, it can help you create a cozy look. Before we start, please don't forget to click the subscribe button to keep updated on our paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you. Our client order 1 gallon apple green semi-gloss latex mix. Let's start by pouring gloss latex hands a yellow on a 40% ratio of semi-gloss latex white. Then let's drop a little acrylic color phthalo green. Stir the paint very well. Are more darker. Let's add more semi-gloss latex white. Then drop more acrylic color phthalo green. Let's add more semi-gloss latex white and acrylic color phthalo green until it became fully 1 gallon. Stir the paint well. the same already. Mixing accomplished. Until next paint mixing tutorial videos, thank you for watching.